Okay, let's get at it.
Woo! Yay, hiking.
Good morning. It is October 25th, 2021, day 146. So we just left the Weary Feet Hostel, and it's a beautiful morning, but it's supposed to be a nasty afternoon and a rainy rest of the week. So we'll see how things turn out weather-wise. But got a long day today planned. 17.6 miles, and mainly uphill, but none of the climbs seem too onerous, so hopefully we'll be good with that. But it is mostly uphill, so lots of general ups and downs, none of them named. And we're gonna finish up at a near trail crossing at Kimberly Creek. So that's the goal. Not much to say about where we're going because none of them have names. Did you count the climbs today? No climb counts today.
There's 2 big ones, 2 bigger ones.
What's that? Okay, 2 bigger ones?
But they're not really big, they're just kind of long.
Okay.
Not that steep.
Yeah.
So 2 or 3 mild ones.
Okay. Well, 2 or 3 big ones and then a bunch of uppy downies. Especially, I think the second half of the day has a lot of up and downs.
Yep.
So we'll see. That's a cool creek down there. That's probably what we just crossed over on the bridge to start our day. All right, we'll see you out there.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Yeah, it is. Finally, it's not green anymore.
And the sun coming up through the clouds. Wow.
Yep. There's a lot of colors in the hills now.
Fall catching us.
Oh wait, sorry, we have 17.6 miles to go. No lollygagging looking at the scenery.
Enjoy.
Okay, we finished climb 1 of the day.
A, B, and C.
A, B, and C of it. So we head down into the valley.
About 2 miles.
And then we head up climb 2 of the day.
2, which also has A, B, C. And then you said 5 more bumps.
Yep, after climb 2, we I don't think we go down into a big valley at all. We just have 5 bumps across to the end. So, still a long day ahead of us, but we're making good progress.
4 down, 13 and a half to go.
Yeah, and I think when I had looked at it, 2A plus B was probably the big climb of the day, big combined climb of the day. Ooh, and the trail suddenly got marshmallowy. Across the ridge we were just on, it was all rocky and ankle threatening. But I like walking on pine needles. More specifically, my feet like walking on pine needles. It is another great fall day for hiking in the woods. It's the kind of neat, just a kind of neat view at the trail we just came up. And continuing our way up, climb 2B. Almost done with what I consider the steepest parts of the day. We'll see. Okay, we just grabbed some lunch at a little campsite here, and I guess we're back on the road again. Yay.
Oh boy.
Got, I think we said 4, maybe 5 climbs left for the day.
We're 11.2 in and have either 6 or 7 to go.
Yep. Awesome. See ya. Okay, right now we're racing the weather a little bit. It's gotten a lot darker out, but still no rain, which is awesome. And to add on to that, I think we've decided to push an extra mile up one more hill before we call it a day. So we're coming down what would have been our last hill. And I think we'll be going up one more after this. I think the rain's starting.
It is day 146.
Okay, it's end of day 146. Long day today.
Long day, our longest day on
sorry,
trail
long
so far.
mileage day today.
Yeah, we did 18.4, I think you
Yep,
said.
18.4. And like you said, longest day on trail.
And one of our fastest pace days
Yeah,
on trail.
In fact, the only faster day was when we did 2 miles into Rattle River.
Yeah.
So yeah, our pace was great. We flew through today. There were a lot of climbs though, because it was mostly uphill.
It was over 4,000 feet of incline today.
Yep. And so it was a great day. Rain slowed down. There's even blue sky behind us.
Didn't rain on us till the end of the day.
Yep, didn't rain till the end of the day. So it was good. Any highlights, lowlights?
It was a really pretty day. The colors of the trees today were gorgeous. A lot of reds. Most of the day was wandering through woods. There were no views, but just the coloring was beautiful.
Yep, it was definitely a woods walk day the whole way, which was nice. It was good, and you pigged out. We ended the day at an outpost,
like a convenience store.
Yeah, like a deli convenience store.
I decided I wanted ice cream, and I got ice cream, but it was raining, we were cold, we were wet, and I was freezing eating
So,
ice cream.
standing under the little awning.
And it was an ice cream
freezing.
cup that the guy, like, it was a massive scoop of ice cream on top of this cup, so I was trying to eat around the edge so it wouldn't drip. Oh, I'm so full tonight.
But good day.
It was a
Okay.
good day.
I think that's it.
We'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.